Mr. Hissner here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Google Sheets. What is this? We're going to do a scatter plot on the Google Sheets. Going to put a line of best fit on here too. I'm going to be moving my little screen around here so I can get some stuff here. So what you need here is you need your X values and your Y values. You want to do your X's first and then your Y's. These are your explanatory values. And these are your response values. So you want two columns here. And then once you have two columns, you just want to come up here to insert, come to the chart, no data. Okay, let's try this again. Get rid of this. Go away, please. How about I highlight this? So let's highlight this, and then we'll go to insert chart. Ta-da! And what Google does here is it just knows. It says, okay, your height versus your pages. So it knows, hey, the first thing that came first, that was this first column comes first, so that's my X values. What comes second is my Y values, my response values. And so it then gives us this little setup. If this doesn't come up for whatever reason, you can just click on your chart and it's highlighted, and then you can double click on it. Actually, the nice thing about Google is you can even like click on the little pieces and it just kind of knows what you want and it will take you there. A little bit more intuitive, I would say, than the Excel charts. So one benefit here. So we don't want a line chart. What we want is a scatter plot. So this does a decent job of being a scatter plot. You can kind of mess with these add remove labels. You can kind of mess with these. I'm trying to think. Data. Okay, there's my data from here. If you want, you could include 0, 0 here to kind of spread this down. And anyway, you can mess with your values to kind of reorient this data. But this, I think, does a good job of housing the data in a window. Just overall, their AI is working pretty good here. So this is our scatter plot. And what we want is the line of best fit. So I'm going to, this is what it just took me to was the setup when I double clicked here. I'm going to come over here to customize. So from this menu, I'm going to go down to, let me actually collapse this. You can change the title of the chart. You can change a lot of, actually, if you just click on this, it'll take you there. As you see, this was highlighted, so it opened up chart and axes. But what we want to do is go down here to series and scroll all the way down here, and it'll give you my trend line. And essentially, this is our line of best fit. Oh, look, it even shows we can show our determinant of the coefficient here. So look at that, has all this stuff. So we, yeah, I think this is probably all we need. And then you can share this, or you can actually dump this right into a Google Doc. All right, so let's go up here to insert. I'm on my Google Doc now. I'm going to go up to insert, chart from sheets. I got demo height. Let me just import and see what it looks like. Hey, look, that's what I wanted. There it is. Ta-da! So yeah, you can just take your height here, and it takes the whole thing. And you can't really edit it like you could in the sheets. You can do some stuff, like I can reorient it, for example, but not a lot of other editing. So if you do edit it in your Google Sheet, you should be able to then delete this one and then bring it back in, which might be helpful for you guys as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video you found to be informative.